Hello, my name is Prasib and welcome to my channel Quantum Guild. And, to, and today's video is about how to make a flame detector project using Arduino Uno R3. First we will need an Arduino Uno board, a flame detector sensor, a breadboard, an LED of any color, a buzzer, a 220 ohms resistor, some jumper wires, and a cable to connect the Arduino. First we will take the flame detector sensor and plug it into the breadboard. Then we will take a pin and connect it to the flame detector's G pin. Another wire, connect it to the plus pin of the flame detector sensor, and lastly one more wire which we will connect to the DO or digital output of the flame detector sensor. Then take the Arduino Uno board, connect the digital output pin of the flame detector to the digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno board, the plus pin of the flame detector to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno board, and lastly the G pin of the flame detector, which we will connect to the GND of the Arduino Uno board. Then take a LED, connect it here. Then take the resistor, 220 ohms resistor, connect it here. Take a wire, connect it to the resistor second terminal and other end to the Arduino Uno's digital pin 3. Then another wire which we will connect to the cathode of the LED and the other side to another GND of the Arduino Uno board. Then take the buzzer, connect it to the breadboard. Then connect a cable, connect a wire to the negative of the buzzer and the other end to the Arduino Uno's last GND or any GND that you have last, and the other pin or wire we will connect it to the positive terminal of the buzzer. Then connect it to the digital pin 4 of the Arduino Uno board. Our circuit is completed. We will connect the cable. Then we will go to the programming part. So now first we will need to type a variable, create a variable called const, and it should be constant and integer. The sensor is equal, the sensor pin is connected, digital output pin is connected to the number 2 pin, semicolon, const int buzzer, it is connected to 3, sorry, wait a minute, no, it is connected to 4, my mistake. Another const int LED, it is connected to 2, and last int value. Our variable section is done. Void setup, the setup function, pin mode, don't forget the semicolon, pin mode sensor, comma input, pin mode not sensor, buzzer, comma output, it is output, and pin mode, sorry, a typo, LED, comma output, it is also an output. So done, void setup done. Now void loop. Now first we will run an if statement. If value is equal 1, if value is 1, sorry, we didn't define the value. Value is equal digital read, digital read sensor, if it gives a 1 signal, digital write buzzer, comma high, and just copy it and LED, comma high, else digital, no, just copy this and we will replace replace the high with low, and our coding is done. So we will connect the Arduino. It is connected. It's showing it is connected. I have taken a matchstick. First we will upload it. It's uploading. First compiling. It's compiling, now uploading. Okay, done. Now here is a flame. Sorry, it bursted. Another flame. It worked. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.